Yeah, so this was the bicycle design that I called the Infinity. It's a beach and city cruiser. The idea was the following: to have a bicycle that provides an all-wheel drive if you want, done by one continuous construction element, this drive belt here that goes around it, which creates a rim in the outer areas and a tooth belt in the interior areas. So here's a chain wheel that drives this tooth belt that becomes then a rim. So there's one construction element that fluidly changes between functions. Is this possible to manufacture so we can ride on it one day? It's true, for now it's a concept. One would have to invest a bit of money and time to see if it's possible, but thinking about it quite a long time now, I never came across any killer argument that wouldn't prevent from going further.